Are you going to learn from Lucida in 2026? They say knowledge is power, but only if you know how to use it. That's exactly what Lucida AI claims to help you do. Learn faster, retain more, and actually understand complex topics in a simple, personalized way. But in 2026, when AI learning apps are everywhere, the real question is Lucida truly worth your time? Let's find out. Lucida presents itself as an AI-powered learning companion, designed to replace traditional study tools with something much more adaptive and interactive. From the first moment you open it, the app greets you like a personal tutor. No overwhelming menus, no clutter. Just a clean interface that asks one question. What do you want to learn today? You can type anything. Psychology, physics, coding, or even soft skills like public speaking, and Lucida immediately starts creating a learning path for you. What's interesting is how it combines information from reliable sources with an AI conversation model that helps you learn by doing. You don't just read or watch. You talk, ask questions, and test your understanding through real interaction. The experience feels surprisingly natural. You can interrupt, ask follow-up questions, and even debate the AI's explanations. Lucida adapts on the spot. If it senses confusion, it rephrases. If you're breezing through, it increases the difficulty. It's like having a tutor who actually listens. The app also includes daily learning goals and a personal progress tracker. Each topic you study contributes to your knowledge graph, showing how different concepts connect. Over time, Lucida learns what teaching style works best for you. Maybe you learn faster with examples or prefer visual explanations, and it adjusts accordingly. Another standout feature is the Lucida Labs section. Here, you can apply what you learn in real scenarios. For instance, if you're learning marketing, Lucida might have you design a mini campaign and then give feedback on your choices. If you're studying science, it could simulate experiments or data analysis tasks. That's where it really shines, transforming passive learning into an engaging experience. Performance-wise, Lucida runs smoothly. The voice recognition is sharp, responses are quick, and the AI maintains context across conversations, making it feel like a continuous learning journey rather than random lessons. However, it's not perfect. Some niche topics might lack depth, and while the AI is good at simplifying information, it's not always a substitute for expert-level knowledge. For serious academic or professional training, you might still need textbooks or courses, but for daily learning, skill building, or refreshing your memory, Lucida does an excellent job. The subscription model offers a free version with limited topics and a premium plan that unlocks all subjects, voice chat, and offline learning. Considering the level of personalization and the AI's capability, the pricing feels reasonable compared to human tutoring. Another plus is privacy. Lucida encrypts your learning sessions and doesn't share personal data with advertisers. That's important in a time when most learning apps rely on user data for revenue. But what really sets Lucida apart is how it makes learning feel effortless. You don't need to schedule time, open multiple apps, or fight with distractions. You can just talk, learn, and grow, whether you're on your commute, cooking, or walking. It brings education into everyday life. So, what's the verdict? Lucida AI is one of the most promising learning companions available today. It's not trying to replace teachers, it's amplifying how we learn. If you want to expand your knowledge, stay curious and make learning a natural part of your day. Lucida delivers exactly that. In short, it's like having your own personal mentor powered by artificial intelligence, patient, available 24/7, and always ready to teach you something new. If this review helped you decide whether to give Lucida a try, consider sharing it with others who love learning or are looking for smarter study tools. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning, because that's exactly what Lucida was built for.